Good evening. Today I will be giving an informative briefing on extreme heat waves and their global impact. Regions across the world are experiencing increasingly severe heat waves. These events are no longer simply uncomfortable summer weather. They are straining infrastructure, disrupting work and travel, increasing wildfire risk, and threatening public health. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, heat extremes are becoming more frequent, more intense, and lasting for longer durations in most land regions as the climate continues to warm. A heat wave is a prolonged period of unusually hot weather for a particular location, typically lasting for at least 2 days. What qualifies as a heat wave is dependent on a region's normal climate. For example, several days of 95-degree weather in a state like Louisiana might be expected, but those same temperatures in a state like Alaska, for example, would be highly unusual and even dangerous. A heat wave becomes especially dangerous when record-breaking temperatures persist, humidity is high, and nighttime temperatures remain too warm for people and buildings to cool down. Human-caused climate change is the main reason that these events are becoming more frequent and intense. Burning fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide. This traps heat in the atmosphere and the oceans. This has raised the planet's baseline temperature. According to the World Meteorological Organization, a human-caused climate change has increased the frequency and intensity of heat waves since the 1950s, and this pattern is going to continue as the planet continues to warm up. Natural weather patterns can still trigger a heat wave, but those patterns now occur on a warmer planet, making extreme temperatures more likely. And these effects are already visible across the globe. In Europe, recent heat waves have brought temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Areas like this would usually have seasonal temperatures at least 10 degrees lower. Railway transit has been consistently delayed or even canceled as the heat risks buckling railroad tracks. Power grids are overwhelmed as demand for electricity and air conditioning, where it's had, is in demand. And the dry conditions are creating an increase in wildfire danger. In South Asia, outdoor workers may face dangerous temperatures while still needing to work and provide support for their families. In the United States, several heat domes have also led to record temperatures, canceled outdoor events, and public health warnings. Extreme heat is one of the deadliest weather-related hazards because its effects extend far beyond just simple discomfort. It can cause dehydration, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. It can worsen heart, lung, and kidney conditions. It can disrupt sleep, reduce work capacity, and contribute to agricultural losses and power outages. And these risks are not distributed equally. Outdoor workers, infants and children, older adults, unhoused people, people with chronic illnesses, and households without reliable cooling are often the most exposed. The World Health Organization reports that heat-related mortality rates among adults over 65 have increased substantially in the recent decades. Extreme heat waves are therefore not only an environmental issue, they are a growing public health, infrastructure, and equity issue that requires communities to understand who is most at risk and how we can mitigate those risks.